Wells are simple mechanical devices that raise underground water to the surface. When a well breaks, the villagers are forced to go back to contaminated sources or travel extra miles and several hours to a water source. The common types of wells that are found in many developing countries are the India Mark II and, in Nicaragua, the rope pump. The India Mark II pump has a galvanized steel pump head, and with the action of the handle moves a thin sucker rod up and down, which lifts a plunger-type mechanism in the cylinder far below. The water travels up a larger pipe called the riser main and out of the spout. The Nicaraguan rope pump uses a wheel and poly rope. The rope has little cups, spaced about a handspan apart. As you turn the wheel, the cups travel down a plastic tube into the water, turn around at a weighted anchor, and by sheer momentum carry water up through another tube to the surface. Rope pumps can contaminate easily due to the exposed parts. Once the rope breaks, they can jam easily, and all access to water is blocked. The first step in well repair is our local representative contacting the village to discuss and evaluate the problem, and to arrange the team visit. The people are always most eager to have their water restored. The old plumbing or rope pump is removed by hand or using C-wrenches and clamps. This well was broken for 14 years because of this hole worn in the riser main pipe. We fixed it in one day. The water level and total well depth are recorded. If there is no record of the depth of the casing screen, the team discusses the best placement of the new cylinder. Pump cylinders are checked before they go down the hole. If they are not watertight, repairs or replacement is done. Sucker rods are inserted into the riser main. Both are wiped down with chlorine bleach to prevent contamination. The cylinder is attached to both the sucker rod and the riser main pipe, and using safety vices and clamps, lowered carefully down the well. Large C-wrenches are used to remove and lower pipes. It can get very heavy, so you must use gloves and lift with your legs, not your back. When the proper length of pipe is installed, chlorine bleach is poured down the well to help decontaminate the new pipes. The bleach is pumped out with the water the next day. The pump head, tank, and handle are assembled. You do a final pump up of water to ensure that all works. This also lifts the chlorine throughout the well plumbing. Locals are asked not to use the well for 1 to 2 days and just let it sit to let the chlorine work fully. This does not usually happen as they are so happy to get their working well back. Rope pump replacement is much the same. The pump wheel is removed, the plastic pipe is lifted out by hand. Here is the bottom anchor weight and water pickup point. New plumbing and cylinder are prepared and lowered down the hole. Many times the old pad has to be adapted using iron bars or boxes and anchors, or welding, or new concrete. Another happy face with water restored.